Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by a face chart, which I'm going to show up here. Isn't it pretty? So, yeah. The reason my hair is up is because I dyed it, and I wanted it to be a surprise at the end of the video as to what color it is. So, yeah, if you want to see how I create this look and the color of my hair, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my eyebrows, primed my eyelid, set it using my Makeup Revolution Flawless 3, the Resurrection palette. And I set it using this shade right here. And I actually lost the little insert sheet that has all the names, so I'm just going to be pointing to them now. That was a transition shade. I'm going to use this one right here with a little bit of this one. And I'm going to put that just above my crease. One thing I really like about this palette is that there's not much kick up, so like, it's good. Now I'm going to be taking this shade and a little bit of this shade and putting those a little bit lower in the crease. Now I'm going to be taking these two shades right here and popping those like really far in. Taking a slight fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and black lace, I'm going to slightly deepen the outer third. Now I'm going to take that brush, I cleaned it, and I'm just going to blend. Taking a little bit of Military Hat, I think that's the name of it, on the same brush, I'm going to slightly blend it up into the crease a little. Taking more of black dress, black lace, whichever one it's called, I'm going to place that just on the outer third on the lid. Dipping back into the palette, I'm going to be taking a combination of this shade and this shade. I'm going to be placing that all in the lid. All on the lid, I should say. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to come back with a full face on, except for two things, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my face on. I have a lot of highlighter on, just a lot. Because I think I put 3 on? 4. 2 from the Sleek palette, 1 is Precious Petals, and the other is actually an eyeshadow by Anastasia called 10K. And now I'm going to do the part that I'm kind of scared to do, but I'm like, okay, no, I gotta do it, I gotta do it, I gotta do it. And I'm gonna be taking my Vivid Brights, NYX Vivid Brights Vivid Halo eyeliner, and I'm gonna be doing the little stripes that are on here. So there's like on the cheeks, on like the cheekbones, on the bridge of the nose, and on the eyes. So I'm gonna start with the bridge of the nose, where I literally just like felt everything in my stomach, which is nothing right now. So I have it like right up here. Now I'm going to move on to the cheekbones, then to the eyes, because the eyes are where I'm like the most scared. And I'm gonna let these dry, and then I'm gonna take care of my under eyes first. Then I'm gonna move on to that. And I'm basically just going to smoke out the under eye using uh, black lace very lightly. Taking the cream base from the Sleek Solstice palette, I'm going to pop that in the inner corner using my finger. And before that dries, I'm going to take 10K. For the waterline, I'll be taking this Killer Kohl by Collab, and this is in the shade Knockout. Okay, now dipping back with that Vivid Brights, I'm going to do 2 lines and 1 with a dot. I actually really like that. I like that. Oh, one's longer than the other. Now we're going to move on to the lips. So I've been going back and forth on what to do, so the idea is this is a Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in Toffee Talk. And I'm going to use one of these two on top, or maybe both, since it's kind of like a glossy goldish looking lip. Going with the combination of these two, placing them in different areas to blend them. Okay, so I'm going to set my face using the Milani Make It Last Set, not the Milani, the Kat Von D Lock It Setting Spray. I'm going to let my hair down, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look. I'm not the craziest about how this looks, but at the same time, I'm still loving it. And by the way, yeah, here's the new color of the hair. It's a called Vintage Teal. I actually really like it. It's a brown-based teal, so that's why you still have like some of the browner colors. But as you like move over, you see like the more blues. I'm honestly living for it. And yeah, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. I need to stop talking so fast. But yeah. Not I like I said, I'm gonna be honest, like I think the face chart looks a lot better than what this does, but at the same time I'm very happy that I stepped out of my comfort zone with these. Yeah, these are the ones I keep looking at. I'm like, ew, no, why? But yeah, that's it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.